Hey you guys, it's EbbWithTheCurls and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you guys my full wash day routine using the African Pride Moisture Miracle line. All of these products can be found at Dollar General for $5 each. This is a great line to start off with, even if you're transitioning or you're newly natural. So now I'm going to get ready to shampoo my hair. I'm going to go in with the honey and coconut oil Nourish and Shine shampoo. When I shampoo my hair, I like to focus the shampoo directly on my scalp opposed to just on my strands, because your scalp can hold the most dirt and product buildup. When you're rinsing the shampoo out of your hair, it's going to automatically run down your strands, basically cleansing your strands for you. So once I rinse out the shampoo, I'm going to follow up with the honey, chocolate, and coconut oil Nourish and Restore conditioner. When I applied this conditioner to my hair, I'm going to be honest with y'all, I did not like this conditioner, none whatsoever. Simply because it did not have no slip. It was so hard to work with this conditioner. I had to reapply the product several times throughout my hair to properly detangle my hair. Not only did it not have slip, but the smell was very potent. I can't really describe the smell. Of course, it's going to smell like chocolate, but it smells something more potent than chocolate. Honestly, it's a no for me. So once I rinse out that conditioner, I'm going to follow up with the Moroccan clay and Shea butter detox and soften heat activated mask. This is my very first clay mask I've ever done on my hair, so I was pretty skeptical on how this mask would work on my hair, being that I've never done a detox mask or a clay mask on my hair at all. But putting this clay mask on my hair, I definitely felt a difference. It was not hard to work with, it was easy to detangle my hair with. Not only was it defining my curls, but I can honestly tell that it was definitely going to do wonders as far as detoxing my curls and really purifying my curls into a better state. After applying the mask to my hair, I'm going to twist my hair back and clip it out the way, grab my shower cap, and deep condition with this mask for 30 minutes. After rinsing out that mask, these are what my curls are looking like. My curls are defined, they are hydrated, not to mention my hair is extremely soft. That mask did what it had to do. Now I'm going to go in with the coconut oil and Baobab oil hydrate and strengthen leave-in cream. This leave-in cream was very moisturizing and provided a lot of slip to my hair. As I was applying this leave-in cream, I did not have to apply a lot. When I say a lot, I only had to apply maybe a quarter size amount to each section. A little goes a long way. So after I apply that leave-in to all three sections of my hair, I'm going to go in with the Shea butter and flaxseed oil moisturize and define curling cream. This curling cream was definitely moisturizing and definitely provided so much slip to my hair. As you all know, it has flaxseed oil, which is great for defining your curls, adding shine, and elongating your curls. So I just knew this curling cream was going to give me a bomb twist out. Once I get done twisting my hair, I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair down using my satin scarf and get ready for bed. So it's the next morning and I'm going to go ahead and take off my satin scarf. Before I take down my twist, I like to oil my hands, and today I'm going to go ahead and use the 5 essential oil blend. This oil blend contains castor oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. All of these oils are great for sealing moisture and adding shine to your hair. After I oil my hair and have oil on my hands, I'm going to begin taking down each twist. And with each twist that I take down, I'm going to separate my curls. And as I separate my curls, I'm going to twirl each curl in my hand to form a coil. Doing this will definitely minimize frizz when you're doing your twist outs or a braid out. I'm going to go in with my pick and just lift my roots just a little bit and get rid of any gaps from the parting. So after I finish picking my hair, I'm going to go ahead and grab my edge control and my edge brush and lay down my edges. And these are my final results. A defined and moisturized twist out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't already, check out my latest video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.